Hey friends, if you wish to stop Microsoft Edge browser still running on the background, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So, whether you start Microsoft Edge or not, it usually starts on Windows computers by default. Here's what you have to do. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Go to the Startups tab on the list on the left hand side. Now let's say that Microsoft Edge was enabled. So in that case, it would definitely start at startup and it is usually enabled by default. So simply right click on it and select disable. Okay. And if there are more than one Edge related processes here, then disable all of them. And then restart your computer. Right click on the start button, shut down, sign out, restart your computer. Obviously after saving all the details, and then your problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.